Today we do some work on our pecan trees. We deal with a worm infestation as well as repair some damage that happened while we were bush hogging.
So today while I was bush hogging, I noticed that this pecan tree's leaves had all been bitten off. See up here, you have missing leaves. And over here, you have a whole lot of missing leaves. And then I noticed this little guy over here. Worm. But as I followed the stem all the way down, right next to this bird's nest, I noticed a whole bunch of worms. And a whole bunch down on the ground too. So what I've decided to do, because I couldn't find them in any other trees, is I'm just going to grab a can of normal bug spray, see if that will kill them. So I think the bug spray has worked because those worms are all busy dying. We didn't have to spray anything else, so I think it was a good idea. While we were bush hogging today, this branch must have been caught on the bush hog. And see how it's ripped it off the tree over here? So I want to cut this off and put some protection in there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sharp cutters and I'm going to just cut that branch off. Move it out the way. There's a sucker here at the back. Take off as well. And then I don't want any of these low down branches over here. So I'll pop them off. And this one over here. There we go. So, right, now after we've cut this off, we need to protect that because it's a pretty bad wound. So we're going to take this tar-based pruning sealer. And we're going to nicely get it in there. And that will protect the tree from any infection, help it to heal. Alright, so I noticed on this tree that we've got these suckers that are growing here low down. So I just want to de-sucker it. So I'm just going to take my shears, snip it off there, snip this one off there, this one off there, just like that. There's one over here. Take this one off as well. And while we're busy, I'll probably take this one off as well. There we go. That leaves the tree nice and open at the bottom. So the boys just noticed this here. And if you look closely inside of there, look at all the little worms inside of there.
And they're babies.
So we're actually going to remove this branch.
And they're babies.
And we're going to go and burn it. At the same time, the bush hog got hold of this branch here, which has done quite a lot of damage to the stem. If you've looked, it's actually ripped the stem pretty badly. So let's figure out how to get in there so that we can clean this up. Cut this off first. There we go. Gets us in. These suckers we don't want, same as with the other trees, so I'll quickly cut them off. That one, and there we can see the tree that was damaged. Might as well get down here and get rid of these suckers too. Alright, now with it open, we can see that it's gone right into the stem. So let's try and get rid of this. And this piece of bark. And then we're going to take our painting. We're going to take our tree protector, sealant, and we're going to seal this. That will prevent it drying out, getting any further damage. And let's hope this recovers. Yes, I dropped some. Look, let me pick it up, put it in there. How about that, bub? Alright, we'll put a lot of this in here because we really don't want this wound to get any infection.
We don't want something else to get on there.
Yeah, we don't want something else to get on here.
Then set up, and then no, Ryan, that's a good.
I'm gonna take them back.
So one thing we don't want to do is to leave any of the branches behind. because if there is any disease, we're leaving it in our orchard. So, done the best I can. I'll load them on the roof and we'll throw them in the burn pile as soon as we get home.
That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like and subscribe for more videos.